Next question is from Neha Naz. She's asking, can you make a switch in a development role as a fresher after 6 years in software testing? Neha, why? Why do you want to do that? To answer your question that whether it is doable or not, the answer is yes, it is doable, but it is not advisable. Because in that scenario, your 6 years of testing experience will go completely waste and you won't even get the similar package as that of your 6 years experienced tester when you join as a fresher in other team or other company. Apart from that, your peers will be more younger than you because they usually freshers are in their early 20s, and if you already have 6 years of experience, then you will be in your late 20s or in your early 30s. So your peers will be pretty younger than you, and the team dynamics won't go well with senior management, and many people will not even like to take you in your team as a fresher. So I come back to my question which I asked you in the beginning, that why do you want to do that? So my suggestion for you would be to rather switching to development as a fresher. You should of course learn programming, but you should learn it from automation testing point of view, because you already have 6 years of testing experience or experience of being a tester. So you should learn programming and a testing framework, and you should go into automation testing. That way you will be upskilling yourself and you will be getting more jobs, because nowadays automation testing is on boom and there are more demands of automation testers rather than manual testers. So if you are a regular manual tester, my suggestion for you would be to learn automation testing using any automation testing framework like Selenium and C#, or Selenium or Java, or Selenium or Python. Apart from that, you can also learn automation testing using robotic process automation or RPA. There are many popular RPA frameworks like Automation Anywhere or your UiPath. So you can learn any one of these, get a certification in these, and you can very easily upskill yourself to become an automation tester. Because if you go for automation tester, your previous testing experience will be utilized there. But if you go into development as a fresher, as I said, you won't be getting enough package, or you won't be getting enough hike, and then there will be team dynamic issues and all those issues. So the better option or the better career choice for you would be to move into automation testing and learn programming from the point of automation testing. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.